Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and today I'm going to tell you guys about some fun adult party games for Halloween, because we all know that this time of year, Halloween, it's so kid-oriented. It's all about like kids go trick-or-treating. But what about your 20-something adult with no children that just wants to have a good time? That wants to invite some adult friends over and have an adult Halloween party, but with fun games. Well, here are those games. So these are just a few after I researched on the internet, just like looking up fun games to play, and these were kind of my favorites that I found. Without further ado, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get right into the fun Halloween adult party game ideas video. So starting off, we have Pumpkin Pictionary. So Pumpkin Pictionary is the idea that you use your pumpkin instead of like a board to do Pictionary. So you still pick like a person, place, or thing, and then you like carve it into your pumpkin, like clues. So instead of drawing like a car, I guess you could carve like a wheel or something else that has to do with a car. That was a bad example, but basically it's like using a pumpkin as your Pictionary thing, which I think would be funny, but also super hard to do. Like, I feel like I would suck at that game, and you would probably have to buy quite a few pumpkins, but it'd be I think it would be a fun, game for everyone just to do one pumpkin. Like, I think that would be fun. Like, have everyone do one round of them doing it. Okay, another idea, which I absolutely love, is have a tarot card reading. So even if it's just you that, like, kind of dabbles in tarot cards like I do, I'm actually about to film a tarot card reading after this. I think it would be super fun to have at a Halloween party, especially because it's something that a lot of people, I feel like, don't dabble with on a daily basis or a weekly basis even. So I think it would be something fun and different for like your guests to have fun with, and you could set up a whole table and make it super spooky and like tarot card-esque and whatnot. I think that would be actually super cute and fun, and you can make it super aesthetic and like, I actually really love that idea, and I want to use that for my next Halloween party. Like, I really love that idea of having just like a tarot card table set up, and then having a bunch of people over, and like you can be the tarot card reader, or I mean, if you have a friend that does it, whoever, that would be a super fun thing to do, or even just learn it for the night. Like, you know what I mean? Just do it for fun and not like take it super seriously, maybe just if it's like a party. But yeah, I really like that idea as well. Another idea that I really like is me and my friends were pretty much all horror movie fanatics, even if we don't like love horror movies. Like, I have some friends that, I mean, they watch horror movies, but they're not, like, it's not their life. Their life doesn't like revolve around it. But I also have some friends where it does. So either way, everyone kind of knows horror movies, so it'd be really fun to have like horror movie trivia during the night. So I mean, start it off with that Pumpkin Pictionary, and then throw in a tarot card reading here and there, and then also do like a movie trivia game, and you can have prizes that are like Halloween prizes at the end or something. I think that would be super, super fun. Okay, one really like fun thing that I think would be fun to do. I live in a small town, and I think this would be, you could probably do it in a city, but I feel like a small town might be better for this, is to do like a Halloween scavenger hunt, but in your like little town. I feel like a little town just works because like in my town, you can literally like walk from one side to the other and not break a sweat. Like, it's really not that hard. It's not a big town. So I feel like it would be easy to keep it within the town and like break everyone up into teams, and you've like placed scavenger hunt items throughout the town, and everyone has to like go find them. That would be super fun. And then each clue could like lead to the next one. I think that's a super fun idea. And I think it's super creative too, because who would think of that for like a Halloween party, but make it like Halloween stuff. And you could wait until after dark, but I feel like this one would be fun to play like right as the sun's going down. So like as it's getting like a little bit darker, but it's not like pitch black yet. I think that would be fun to play. And obviously have like a Halloween prize at the end, or maybe like a Bath and Body Works fall candle as a prize. Hello, that's what I would want. This next one is like a play on bobbing for apples. It's donuts on a string, which before like searching, adult Halloween party games, because I want to play some. I had never heard of this, but it's donuts on a string. So you hang the donut on a string, obviously from like a tree or something, or I guess from anything. You could even hold it up and like have it hang. And instead of like bobbing for apples, you're eating the donut. So you're like, it's like a contest of who can eat the donut the fastest. I think that would be a fun game to play, and you could make them like Halloween donuts. These are some really good ideas after researching, and so I'm so excited to throw my next Halloween party. But what sucks is that like, with everything going on right now, I feel like we can't really throw, or at least I don't want to throw a big Halloween bash because like I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to be around anyone, you know, because of the times we're living in right now. So kind of sucks because this year for Halloween, we're really just doing like horror movies, and I'm going to make a bunch of like cool Halloween food that I might put up on this channel. Like I'll either take pictures and put on Instagram, or I might film a video of me making all the stuff and like show you guys the end result of all the items. But regardless, these like things will be so much fun to do once I can actually have like a real Halloween party, hopefully next year or the year after. We will see. Oh, I might even use some of these for my wedding. So far has been moved to next year now during Halloween. Well, technically it's the reception because like we already got married. Yay. We already got married, but now we're just having like our party next year the night before Halloween. So far that's what's in the works. And I'm sorry if you can hear Callie snoring. She's like right over next to me on the couch and she's snoring away. But anyway, yeah, I'm so excited to try these games out. They sound so fun. Okay, this next one is super cute and I actually love it because I used to collect stickers, and this game is to give every like person that comes to your party a little sheet of stickers that, you know, are Halloween, and try to like stealthily stick them to people throughout the party, and like have everyone have a different set. Like maybe one person gets like cats, and one person gets pumpkins, and one person gets, you know, other Halloween things like moons or something. And then at the end of the night, you can count like who all, like take account of who all has stickers on them and stuff. You could either do that at the end of the night, or it could just be a fun game and then not really have a winner. But I always want to have a winner, so I would make it into a competition for sure. This one's cute and is definitely for alcohol lovers, or I guess not if you wanted to do the treat thing. But what you can do is have one batch of Jello shots that are filled with alcohol, or regular like Jello shots like with alcohol, and then ones that have no alcohol in them, and then people can like trick or treat and find out like which one. That's not really a game, but it'd be something fun to kind of throw into the mix of like trick or treat, making it Halloween themed. So I really like that idea. Plus then if people just want a Jello shot without alcohol, they can have one. Okay, so this next one is super cool too, and it's very like Halloween aesthetic type of thing, which I love that kind of thing for parties. So this one would be like set up a photo booth type of background, like. And this stuff is super easy to get. Like you can order it on Amazon and it doesn't really cost much. Like you can just get a backdrop super cheap. Not super cheap, but like, you know what I mean? It wouldn't be like a huge expense. So, and it would be really cool, and you could use it for like every Halloween party. Callie is snoring so loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I don't know how you wouldn't hear it, but she's so loud. It's really funny. So sorry. So a photo booth and a selfie thing. So like you come up with your own hashtag that you want to do. Everybody takes pictures over it, and you like use the hashtag, and then at the end of the night you find out who got the most likes. You can either do it like whoever got the most likes on their one photo wins and gets a prize, or you could do whoever gets the most likes on like their combined photos, so like almost who takes the most pictures and gets likes on them and count them all up. Or you could do where whoever gets the most likes hosts the next Halloween party. But I know as adults though, a lot of the times it can't be that. Like you just have to host when you can. So I feel like I would probably do the like, you get a prize if, you know, before you leave, you got the most likes. So those are the adult Halloween party games that I think would be super fun to do for a Halloween party. I will probably do them as soon as like things aren't the way they are right now in the world and we can have people over again. So I'm so excited to try those things out. I'm excited for this Halloween too. I want to know what you guys are doing for Halloween this year, knowing that you probably can't go to a party. And if you are, be safe, wear a mask and all of that. So love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below also just what you're being for Halloween and like everything about your Halloween plans. I feel like this is the only way to connect with people right now is like through social media and stuff, because you can't really go see a lot of people right now. So thank you guys for keeping me sane. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this, and let me know any other videos you want to see in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next one.